Welcome to Noah Nature, and today we have a very long puss. Hey there, long puss. See, this long puss is in an exclusive habitat here in the planet Earth. As you can see, this puss is very long, and it's a very nice puss. As we look at the puss, you can see that it's a very nice puss. It has fur and bones and a head, which is very exclusive to these type of animals, that they have heads. As we can see, the puss is under hunger and wants to eat something, as you can see from his hunger expression. As we can see, right now the puss is very long. That's why it's called the long puss, because it's very long. You see, the puss is very long. Yeah, what? Really? Okay, National Geographic just canceled my show. Goodbye.